Hello students, as we all know that summer vacations are approaching and we all have some plans to learn new engineering technologies. Jai Hind, my name is Mahesh Sharma. I am trainer at AKGEC Bosch Rexroth Center of Excellence in Automation Technologies, which is located at AKGEC Skills Foundation, Ghaziabad. I am very much excited to inform you about such excellent opportunities we are offering to students of BTech or Diploma who wish to make their future in the field of industrial automation by learning in these summer vacations. In this regard, we are launching a 4 to 6 week industrial training program on automation technologies in the month of June, July and August. This program is aimed to provide you valuable skills and knowledge in the field of automation technologies, which will enhance your career prospects and will give you a competitive edge. Program content is designed in such a way that it covers learning of concepts through 60% practical and 40% through relevant theory, and internationally valid certifications jointly issued by AKGEC and Bosch Rexroth by exposing one to basic pneumatic, electro-pneumatic, hydraulic circuit design along with PLC programming. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your knowledge and skills in the rapidly growing field of industrial automation and taking the first step towards a successful career in this exciting domain. For more information and enrollment details, please feel free to contact us at the provided mobile number, or additionally, you can scan the attached QR code to access further details about the training programs.